That shirt is so sharp it cut me!
Yeah, it's a new turtleneck.
Cool, I'm wearing a new collared shirt.
Sweet! Under here I got a new t-shirt. Call an ambulance! I think a venomous spider just bit me!
The chances of it being a venomous spider bite are extremely low. Can I get an ambulance, please? Wow, this is so smooth. Go! Oh, I got a splinter the size of a toothpick. Did you say toothpick? Great.
Bet you can't beat me! Go!
Bullseye! I bet you can't do that.
Oh, I can do better than that! Told you I can.
Oh, there's a spider in your straw. Why did you do that?
'Cause it almost got away.
Legs or wings?
Legs for me, all 6 of them.
This one's still fresh!
Make sure it's not too hot. Okay. Oh!
I know just the thing! Can you stop biting your nails for 2 seconds?
Sorry, just a bad habit.
Tell me about it.
I got your nose.
I got your tongue, and I'm not giving it back till you give me back my nose! Hey, you didn't take my nose. Oh, better! I think we're infested with roaches!
Why do you say that?
Cause this one's hatching!
What are we gonna do?
Scrambled or fried?
Both. Oh, there's a roach in your vanilla ice cream.
Oh! Thanks for telling me. I hate vanilla ice cream. Oh! There's an ugly creature in the house!
Oh, slap it hard.
Okay!
You think you real funny, don't you?